1. 3 pipes PQR can fill the tank 12 hours, 15 hours and 25 hours. At 6 p.m. 3 pipes open together. After working together for 4 hours, pipe A is closed and pipe B closed 4 hours before the completion of the work. At what time the whole work will be completed? What is the LCM of 15, 25 and 12? 300. LCM is how much? 300. Means total tank capacity is how much? 300. 12 how many times? 15 times. 12, 15 times. Next 15, 12 times. 25. 15 how many times? 20 times. 25, 12 times. And here first pipe is closed after 4 hours. Means it is 15 for how many hours? 4 hours. Working together 4 hours, pipe A is closed, B is closed 4 hours before the completion of the work. Actually it is not PQR, A, B, C. First one is open for 25 or 15? 25. 25 into 4. Second one is open for, compared to close time, how many hours are before or closed? 4 hours before. But third one is open for all the time or sometime? All the time. Suppose third one is open for T hours. Second one is open for T minus 4 or T plus 4? T minus 4. First one 4 hours, second one T minus 4, third one T hours. All these are adding, we are get the total tank capacity or not? That is equal to how much? 300. 25 4s are 100. 300 minus 100, 200. Next 20T and 12T. Total it is 37T. 20 minus 4, 20 into 4, 80. Minus 80 becomes plus 80. That is equal to how much? 32 or 37? 32. 280 equal to how much? 32T. 4 how many times? 8 times. 4 how many times? 7, 0. Then T equal to 70 by 8. 70 by 8 means 8 almost 8 times. What is the remaining value? 64 means 6 by 8. 6 by 8 means it is 8 hours 45 minutes. 8 hours 45 minutes. What is the starting time are given? 6 p.m. After 6 p.m. they will fill the tank in how many hours? 8 hours 45 minutes. Then answer 6 p.m. plus 8 hours 45 minutes. What is the answer? 2:45 p.m. 2:45 p.m. Second one, in the given figure, ABC is a triangle and BC is a diameter of a circle and D is a point on the circumference of a circle such that AD equal to DB equal to DC. And area of the triangle ABC is how much? 144 square centimeters. Then the area of the circle, area of the circle. And here BC is the diameter and BD also diameter and BD also diameter. What is the what is the BC value? 2R. What are the conditions here? AD equal to DB equal to how much? DC or not? AD value and DC value equal or different? Equal. Means if it is BC or 2R means BD also 2R or not? Equal value or different value? Equal value or not? And what is the area of a triangle? Half into base into height or not? What is the base value? 2R. Height value also 2R or not? Half into 2R into 2R or not? Half into 2R into 2R, that is equal to how much? 144. 2 get cancelled or not? 2R square equal to how much? 144. Then R square equal to 72 or not? What is the question here? Area of the circle. We required which one? Pi r square or not? What is the answer? 72 pi r not? Next question number 3. 8x plus 8y minus xy equal to 49. 8y plus 8z minus 4yz equal to 44. X square y square z equal to how much? Okay. X value, y value and z value. Suppose x value I return 5. X value 5. Y value 3, Z value 4. X value 5, Y value 3, Z value 4. Substitute the values. 8 into X 40, 8 into 3 24, minus 5 into 3 15, 40 plus 24 64, minus 15 49. Yes or no? Second one also same or different? 8 into 3 24, 8 4 the 32, minus 12, 32 minus 12 20, 20 plus 24 44. Then x y z is how much? 5 3 4. Third one also 8x means 40, 8z means 32, x into z means 12, 32 minus 12. 8 5 is how much? 30. But 8z means it is 8 into 4 how much? X into z means it is how much? 20. 40 minus 20 20, 20 plus 32 52. We required x square y square z square 25 9 4. 25 into 4 100 into 9 900. Next question number 4. 50% of the first Li with copper, aluminium and silver is in the ratio of which one? 11:3:7. And it is mixed with 25% of the second Li with aluminium and silver is in the ratio of 2:5. Then the resultant mixture is in the ratio of which one? 15:4. If the total weight of the second Li is given 56 grams, then what is the quantity of copper used in the first Li? In first Li, total how many parts? 21 parts are. In that how much percent are taken? 50% or 20%? 50%. Then we return 50% of how many parts? 21 parts are. Second Li is how many parts? 2:5 ratio. But 2:5 is given how many grams? 56 grams are. In that 56 grams, how much percent are taken? 25% are. Then resultant mixture. In first one 50% taken, second one 25% are taken. These two are mixing, we are get the new mixture or not? In that new mixture, quantity 1 and quantity 2, what is the ratio? 15:4 or not? 15:4. 25 how many times? 2 times or not? 4 how many times? 14 or not? Okay. 14 how many times? 42. 3 times or not? 3 parts equal to 15. What is the 1 part value? 5. What is the question here? Copper. Copper in first one. How many parts we need? 11 parts or not? What is the answer? 55. Next question number 5. The average of 18 numbers is how much? 24. Each observation is multiplied by 3 and added by 2. Then what is the resultant average? If each number are multiplied by 3 means average also multiplied by 3. Then new average 24 into 3 or not? If each number is added by 2 means average also added by 2 or not? 24 3 is how much? 72 plus 2 means 74. That is the new average or old average? New average or not? Each number is multiplied by 3 means average also multiplied by 3. Each number is added by 2 means average also added by 2. It's the sixth one. Area of the triangle drawn on the diagonal of a square as its one of the side is given 72 square centimeters and the area of equivalent triangle drawn on the side of a square as its side is given how much? 32 root 3 square centimeters. Then the height of the triangle drawn on the diagonal. First of all, square. Okay. Or the second one, area of the equivalent triangle drawn on the side of a square. It is equivalent triangular. Means side of a square, it is equal to which one? Side of a equivalent triangular. What the area of equivalent triangle? Root 3 by 4 a square equal to how much? 32 root 3. Root 3 cancel. 32 4s are 128. Then a equal to how much? 8 root 2. That is the side of a square. Then side of a square is 8 root 2 means triangle side also 8 root 2. What is the next one? Area of a triangle drawn on the diagonal of a square. Drawn on the diagonal of a which one? Square. It is drawn on which one? Diagonal of a square. What is the side of a square? 8 root 2. Then diagonal of a square means written root 2 into a. It is equal to 8 root 2 into root 2 or not? Then a equal to, what is the diagonal value? 16 or not? Diagonal is how much? 16. Means diagonal it is also equal to which one? Side of a triangle or not? Side of a triangle. Means that is the base of the which one? Base of the triangle. Means half into base is how much? 16 into required which one? Height value or not? Required height of the triangle multiplied by height, that is equal to area or not? What is the area are given? 72. 2 how many times? 8. 8 how many times? 9. H equal to how much? 9 or not? Next question number 7. If the first car runs 900 kilometers in, the ratio of the speeds of two cars is 4 by 9 is to 7 by 27. The first car runs 900 kilometers in 6 hours. Then find the speed of the second car. What is the speeds ratio? 4 by 9 is to 7 by 27. 9 how many times? 3 times. 4 into 3. 12. Means speeds ratio 12 is to 7. Okay. And 900 kilometers it is covered in how many hours? 6 hours. 900 kilometers in 6 hours means what is the speed value? 900 by 600. How much? 150. 150 kilometer per hour. It is represents how many parts? 12 parts. Divide by 12. We are get the one part value. But we required how many parts? 7 parts. Second one speed or first one speed? Second one. 5 how many times? 50. 5 how many times? Sorry. 3 how many times? 50. 3 how many times? 4. 50 into 7. 350. Divide by 4. What is the answer? 87.5. Next question number 88th one. The given below pie chart shows the percentage breakup of which one? Of the total number of male employees in 8 different banks. Total number of male employees are given how much? 3000. Total male employees are given 3000. The table shows the ratio of male and female employees in 8 different banks is how much? 20-20. First one male employees data, but second one male and female ratio. Male and female ratio. What is the question here? What is the ratio of the total number of employees in bank S to the total number of employees in bank Q? Bank S and bank Q. First bank S, male is how many parts? Male is how many parts? 5 parts. In place of 5 parts, how much percent are given? 18%. 18% divided by 5, we are get the 1%, 1 part value. Total how many parts? 9 parts. Multiplied by 9, we are get the total employees in bank S. Next, another one, bank Q. In bank Q, male is how many parts? 2 parts. That bank Q male is how much? 12%. 12 by 2, we are get the 1 part value or not? Multiplied by 3, we are get the total employees or not? Yes or no? 2 how many times? 6. 6 3 is 18. Cancel or not? 9 is to 5. What is the answer? First one. Next question number 9. Range of the first 92 natural numbers is A, and range of first 92 whole numbers is B, and mean of first 92 odd natural numbers is C. Then what is the value of A plus B minus C? Range of first 92 natural numbers means from 1 to which one? 92 or not? Range means largest number minus smallest number or not? Then A equal to, we return 92 minus 1 or not? How much? 91. Next, range of the first 92 whole numbers or not? First 92 whole numbers means whole numbers start from 0. First 92 whole numbers means 0 to 91 or not? 0 to 91. Including 0, it is 91 terms, 92 terms. Without 0 means it is only 91 terms or not? What is the question here? 92 whole numbers or not? Means from 0 to which one? 91. Then range value means largest number minus smallest number. B equal to how much? 91 minus 1. How much? 90 or not? Sorry, 91 minus 0. How much? 91. That is B value. Again C value. Mean of first 92 odd natural numbers or not? Okay. If it is 3 odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. Total how many odd numbers? 3 odd numbers. What is the mean value? Average or not? 1 plus 3 plus 5. 9. Divide by 3. 3 or not? Okay. If number of terms are 3, average also 3. How many terms are there? 92. Then mean value is how much? 92 or not? A 91, B 91, C 92. But we required A plus B minus C. 91 plus 91 minus 92. End with 90 or not? Next question number 10. The angle between the diagonals of a parallelogram is 120 degrees, and one of the diagonal is given 12 centimeters and the area is given 24 root 3 square centimeters. Then find the length of the other diagonal or not? Length of the other diagonal. First of all, parallelogram. In parallelogram, what is the angle between two diagonals? 120 or not? Means it is how many degrees? 120 degrees or not? Yes sir. Next, one of the diagonal is given how much? 12 centimeters. One of the diagonal means this diagonal will be how much? 12. Means this part are 6, this part also 6 or not? Next, area is given how much? 24 root 3 square centimeter. Area means it is 4 diagrams area or only one diagram? 4 diagrams area. 4 diagrams area 24 root 3. Then every diagram area 6 root 3 or 4 equal parts or only one part? 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts area 24 root 3. Then every one part area 6 root 3 or then we are taken one triangle. In one triangle, base. Okay. What is the side value here? 6. Another one, we don't know. Then we return half into base into height. That is equal to how much? 6 root 3. Half into, what is the base value? 6 into height equal to how much? 6 root 3. Sorry. Formula marchipothundu. Actually one formula is there. What is the formula? Half into AB into sin theta. Because angle are given or not? Half equal to AB into sin theta. That is equal to how much? 6 root 3. Half into A. A is, suppose this one are x means it is also x or not? Half into x into, what is the B value? 6 into sin how many degrees? 120 degrees equal to how much? 6 root 3 100. Sin 120 means cos 30 100. Then half into x into 6 into cos 30. What is the cos 30? Root 3 by 2 equal to how much? 6 root 3 100. Root 3 cancel, 6 also cancel 100. X equal to how much? 4. If x value 4 means another one, it is also total value is how much? 8 100. What is the question here? Length of the other diagonal. Second diagonal is how much? 8. Next question number 11. A sum of 51,840 amounts to 64,800 in 6 years and P in 18 years at a certain rate percent per annum. When the interest being compounded yearly in both the cases, then what is the value of P earned? Okay, and it is P in how many years? 18 years earned. Means principal value 51,840. It will become amounts to 64,800 in how many years? 6 years. And the same sum, it will become amounts to P rupees in how many years? 18 years earned. But both the cases compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest earned. First, amount to by principal equal to 64,800 divided by 51,840. 0 cancel. Okay. Numerator 4 how many times? 1 6 2 0. Denominator 4 12 times. Remaining 38. 38 means 9 times 6 times 1296. 36 how many times? 36. 18 how many times? 90 times. Denominator 18 multiple. 18 sevens are 126. 18 sevens are 126 or 136? 70 plus 56, 126. Remaining value 36. How many times? 18. 2 times. 90 by 72. 18 5 times. 18 4 times. What is the fraction? 5 by 4. That 5 by 4 we are received for how many years? 6 years. Means 5 by 4 power 1. If it is 6 years, we are considered power 1. But here how many years are given? 18 years. 18 is how many times of 6? 3 times. Then we return 5 by 4 power 3 or power 1? Power 3. 1 is 5 cube how much? 125. 4 cube how much? 64. Principal 64 parts. Amount is how much? 125 parts. In place of 64 parts, already how much value are given? 51,840. But we required how many parts? 125 parts. 64. 16 how many times? 4. 16 how many times? 3 times. 48 complete. Remaining 38. 38 means 2 times. Remaining 24. 20. 64. 64 means 4 0. 4 how many times? 8 1 0. It is 125 into 800 means 10,000. 125 into 10 means 1250. Then answer second option or not? End with 1250 or not? Question number 12. If the radius of a circle is increased by x units, then circumference is increased to 220 by 7. If the ratio of initial radius to increased radius is 3:5, then increased in the area. Okay. Initial radius is how much? 3 parts. What is the new radius? 5 parts. What is the original area? Pi r1 square. What is the new area? Pi r2 square. What is the pi r1 square? 9. What is the pi r1 square? 9. Because pi constant. What is the r1 square? 9. What is the R2 square? 25. How much value are increased? 16. 16 by 9. But here already circumference are given or not? Increased circumference are given or not? Just 1 minute. The radius of a circle is increased by how much? X units. Then the circumference is increased to which one? 220 by 7. Increased to 220 by 7. Means new circumference 2 pi R2 equal to how much? 220 by 7 or not? 2 pi R2 means it is 44 by 7 into R2 or not? It is equal to 220 by 7. 44 5 times. 7 7 cancel or not? R2 equal to how many parts? 5 parts or not? R2 5 parts. What is the R1? 3 parts or not? Okay. What is the 3 square? 9. 5 square? 25. 9 and 25. 16 by 9. Initial radius to which one? Increased radius is how much? 3:5. R equal to originally 3. New radius 22 by 7 into 9 or not? 22 by 7 into 9. That is original area or not? What is the new area? 22 by 7 into 25 or not? What is the difference? 16 into 22 by 7 or not? Difference is how much? 16 into 22 by 7. 16 into 22 means it is 352 by 7 or not? 7 how many times? 52 by 7. Which option? First one. Without writing this one, directly we are say the answer or not? How much value are? What is the common value? Pi common or not? Pi means it is 22 by 7 into how much value? 16 or not? What is the first one area? 22 by 7 into 9. Second one area 22 by 7 into 25. Difference means 16 into 22 by 7. That is increased value or not? Next question number 13. A man bought 2 chairs for how many rupees? 3640. He sold one at a loss of 16%. Another one at a profit of 24%. If each chair was sold at the same price, then what is the cost price of the sold at a gain? 16% loss means 84% of A or not? Second one, 24% profit means we return 124% of B or not? Different cost prices, but selling prices are same or not? Then A by B equal to 4 how many times? 31. 4 how many times? 21 or not? What is the cost prices ratio? 31 by 21. Total how many parts? 52 parts. That is equal to 3640 or not? What is the question here? Cost price of the gain value or not? Gain means 21 parts or not? 52 how many times? 7. 21 into 7. 1470 or not? 1470. Which option? Fourth option or not? Next question number 14. The age of the Vijay after X years from present will same as the age of the Samir before 2x years. If the ratio of the present days of Vijay and Samir is how much? 3:4. And the sum of the ages of Vijay and Samir after X years will be how much? 69. And then what is the value of X? First of all, Vijay present is how many parts? 3 parts. Samir present 4 parts or not? After X years, sum of those 2 persons is how much? 69. After X years means each one X years are added or not? Total 2X. Already 7 parts or not? Total it is 7 parts plus 2X equal to how much? 69 or not? 69. What is the first condition? Age of the Vijay after X years from present will same as the age of Samir before 2x years. Vijay x years after means 3 parts plus x r. That is equal to Samir how many years before? 2x years before. Means 4 parts minus 2x r. 2x plus x, 3x. It is equal to how much? 7 parts or not? Sorry, 1 part or 7 parts? 1 part. 3x equal to how much? 1 part. In place of 1 part, we are substitute how much? 3x or not? Yes or no? In place of 1 part, we are substitute 3x. 7 parts means 21x plus 2x equal to how much? 69 or not? 23x equal to 69, x equal to 3 or not? Next question number 15. If the difference between the highest of 5 digit perfect square, highest 5 digit perfect square and the lowest 7 digit perfect square number is divided by 23, find the remainder. Okay, first lowest 7 digit perfect square, lowest 7 digit perfect square, 1 7 digits, it is perfect square. Yes or no? How many digit number? 7 digit or 6 digits? 7 digit. Next, highest 5 digit perfect square, highest 5 digit perfect square, 9 double 8 5 6. 9 double 8 5 6. What is the difference between these two? Difference is how much? 44. 1 1 0 1 or 9. జాగ్రత్త చెప్పండి. 144 9 minus 8 1, 99 minus 9 9 0 90,000, sorry 9 lakhs 1144. That is divided by which one? 23. Divide by 23, we are get the remainder 16. Simplify చేయాల్సిందే. 9 lakhs 1144, it is divided by which one? 23. We are get the remainder 16. 23 3 times how much? 69. Remaining 21. 211. అలా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే we are get the last 16. దయచేసి లాస్ట్ 3 digits వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయకండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 16. 16th question. 4 power a equal to 27 power minus b, that is equal to 36 power c. Then what is the relation between a, b, c or not? And all these are equal to k value or not? All these are equal to k value. 4 power a, it is equal to how much? K. 4 power a means we return 2 power 2a or not? 2 power 2a. Then 2 power 2a. Then 2 equal to we return k power 1 by 2 or not? 1 by 2a or not? 4 power a, it is equal to how much? K. 4 power a means it is 2 power 2a equal to how much? K or not? Then 2 equal to how much value? K power 1 by 2 or not? 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. In the same way, 27 means it is 3 cube or not? 3 power minus 3b. 3 power minus 3b equal to how much value? K. Then 3 equal to we return k power 1 by minus 3b or plus 3b? Minus 3b. Next, 36 means it is 6 square or 2 square into 3 square or 2 square into 3 square. 6 means 36 power how much? C equal to K. 36 means we written 2 power 2C into 3 power 2C here. Or directly we written 6 power 2C, that is equal to how much? K here. Then 6 equal to how much? K power 1 by 2C here. Okay. What is the left hand side value? 6. In place 6 nothing but we return 2 into 3 or not. 2 means how much? K power 1 by 2. 3 means how much? K power 1 by minus 3b or not. Then 2 into 3, K power 1 by 2a into K power minus 1 by 3, 3b, that is equal to K power 1 by 2c or not. Then directly we return 1 by 2a minus 1 by 3b equal to how much? 1 by 2c or not. Okay. Simplify cheyandi, answer వస్తుంది. Simplify చేస్తే we are getting the answer. Next question number 17. Anyone need 17th question? చెప్పాలా? Nine by 8 of 4 by 126. Calculation. 4 how many times? 2 times or not? One is numerator, another one denominator of denominator. Okay. 9 by 8 into 4 by 126 into how much? 1 by 2 into how much value? 6 by 5 by 24 by 25 into how much value? 9 by 2 divide by how much? 12 by 8. It is 24 by 25. Up to this one we return divide by 24 by 25 into how much value? 9 by 2 by how much value? 12 by 8. This one we return 8 by 12 or not? That is equal to which one? A value or B value? A value. Next, what is the second one? B equal to 70 into which one? 0.05 by 0.005 into 0.005 of which one? 0.2 or not? That is the B value. Again, in this one we are subtracting which one? This value or not? Actually this one cancel or not? Minus 0.2. And here 0.05 and 0.005. How many times? 10 times or not? Numerator, actually numerator 5 by 100. Denominator 1000 by which one? 5 or not? 2 zeros are cancelled, 5 cancel. What is the remaining? 10 or not? 0.05 into 0.2. Calculation chestara? Time taken. Question number 18. There were 2 candidates in an election. 20% of the total voters did not cast their votes. 500 voters were declared as invalid or valid? Invalid. The elected candidate got 10,100 votes more than his opponent. If elected candidate got 60% of the total votes, then how many votes did the defeated candidates earn? Okay. Means winning candidates plus defeated candidates, it is equal to total votes or not? Yes or no? Winning plus defeated, it is equal to total votes polled or not? Total votes are polled. Total votes we are consider how much percent? 100%. In that how much percent are did not cast? 20%. Means casting 80% or not? Out of 80%, how many votes are declared invalid? 500. Then valid votes are 80% minus 500 or plus 500? Minus 500. 80% minus 500. And the elected candidate got 10,100 votes more than the opponent. Winning candidate compared to opponent, how many votes are more? 10,100 more. And elected candidate got 60% of the total votes are. Means winning candidate 60% are getting a. Then opponent candidate 60% minus 10,100. 60% winning, 60% minus 10,100 defeated. Both are adding. It is total valid votes, sir. It is which one votes winning? This one defeated. That is equal to total valid votes, sir. 60 plus 60, 120. Right hand side 80. Difference 40. Negative 10,100. It will become positive 10,100. What is the difference? 9,600. 40% 9,600. We required which one? Defeated candidates. 40% 9,100. Then 60%. 14,400. 60% value 14,400. In that how many votes we are subtracting? 10,100 minus 10,100. Defeated value is how much? 60% minus 10,100. What is the difference? 4,300. Which option? Fourth option. Next question number 19. A car covers 1/3 of the distance at an average speed of 96 km per hour. 1/4 of the distance was covered at the speed of 90 km per hour and the remaining distance at the speed of 100 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car to cover the total distance? Okay. What are the speeds are given? 96, 90 and 100. Suppose LCM I consider 1440. 1440. Because 96 it is 12 multiple, 16 multiple, yes or no? 8 multiple also no? 90. 144 it is exactly divisible by 9 or no? Means LCM must be multiple of 16 and 9. 16 and 9 means 69 is how much? 144. Then total distance we are consider how many kilometers? 1440 kilometers. 1440. First time how much distance are covered? 1/3. What is the 1/3 of 1440? 480 kilometers. Second time how much distance? 1/4. What is the 1/4 of 1440? 360. Third time how much distance are covered? Remaining distance or total distance? Remaining. 480 plus 360. 840 completed. What is the remaining distance? 600. First 480 kilometers covered with a speed of how much? 96 km per hour. How much time are taken? 5 hours or 4 hours? 5 hours. Second 360 kilometers covered with a speed of 90 km per hour. How much time are taken? 4 hours. Third 600 kilometers it is covered with a speed of 100 km per hour. How much time are taken? 6 hours. First time 5 hours, second time 4 hours, third time 6 hours. What is the total time are taken? 15 hours. What is the question here? Average speed. Average speed means total distance by total time. What is the total distance? 1440. Total time are 15. That is equal to average speed. 15 how many times? 9. 6 times. Next question number 20. Twentieth question. 2 power 2 minus a. This one we written 2 power 2 into 2 power minus a or no? Yes or no? 3 into how much? 3 power minus 10. Another one 2 power minus 12 by 3 power minus 6 or not? What is the 5 power 2a divided by 5 power a? 5 power 3a. And already denominator 5 power a means we are get the 5 power 2a or not? 5 power, first one 5 power a, denominator also 5 power a, cancel or not? Then we are not get the 5 power something or not? Next, it is 3 power minus 10 and here it is 3 power minus 12. Numerator 3 power minus 10 by denominator 3 power minus 12 into 3 power minus 6. In 12 also 3 or not? Means 3 power 7 into 3 power 7 or not? 12 actually we written 3 into 4 means 3 power 7 into 4 power 7. 4 power 7 means we written 2 power 14 or not? Okay. First of all, denominators we are adding minus 12, minus 6, minus 18, plus 7, minus 11 or not? The numerator we written 3 power minus 10, denominator 3 power minus 11 or not? That is equal to 3 power only 1 or not? Only 1. Actually denominator 3 power minus 1 means it will become minus 10 minus half minus 11 means 11 minus 10 how much? 1 or not? Means 3 power 1 means 3 term we are getting 3 or not? Okay. Next, what is the remaining? 2 power 2 into 2 power minus a into 2 power minus 12 by 2 power 14 into 2 power a into 3 equal to how much? 48. 3 how many times 48? 16 or not? 16 means we return 2 power 4 or not? 2 power 4. First we are adding the numerator values. 2 minus a minus 12 or not? Numerators. What are the denominators? 14 plus a equal to how much? 4 or not? Okay. And 2 minus 12 minus 10 or not? Wait. Sorry. Directly first numerators 2 minus a minus 12 and here 14 and a or not? 2 minus a minus 12 minus 14 minus a or not? That is 2 power something or not? That is equal to how much? 2 power 4. Then 2 minus a minus 12 minus 14 minus a, it is equal to how much? 4 or not? Minus 12 minus 14 minus 26 plus 2 means minus 24 or not? Minus 2a minus 24 equal to how much? 4 or not? Then minus 2a equal to how much? 28. Then a equal to how much? Minus 14 or plus 14?